Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and yeah, it said the parcel. Dun, 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 dun. Been sent a package by Kevin Stevens over at Kev's Model Scales. So without further ado, let's have a little looky-loo at what we got here. But some pretty serious duct tape on this, so I think he's challenging Festa. So let's have a looky-loo at what we got, and I'm trying not to do a fox, a Captain Stabberty. So let's have a looky-loo. Oh my god, holy sugar. Clean that up, didn't I? I've just seen a little preview of it. Let's see whether I can get into the box that way. Apologies for the dodgy camera angle, folks. But I want to do it in such a way that I don't actually damage the product when I get it out. And I'll adjust the camera accordingly in a second. So let's just do that. There's a personal message in there, so I'll have a quick readykins. Oh bless. It's just a little prezzie from you, or for you, from Kevin, to say thank you for the resin prints. Oh, thanks, mate. And look at this, folks. Holy moly. A Toyota GT1 TS020. And we was only talking about this in the hangout the other day, the big old sexy sports cars. Now I know Sarah Jane is going to be salivating at Festa doing one of these. Look at that. Oh mate, absolutely mint. So we'll have a looky-loo in the box in a sec. Let's try and adjust the phone away just a little bit so we can get it all in shot. Look at that bad boy, isn't it, eh? Whoa. Got the old Marilyn Monroe hips on her, isn't she? Look at that. Looks like the Stig's crash helmet out of Top Gear, doesn't it? See, the old, yeah. I need to really get out more, don't I? And then you got the livery there. I'll tell you something, that's going to be a beautiful red. And then all the engine detail in there. Look at that. Isn't it, eh? Have you a bit of that? So, this road not doing it. Shall we have a look inside? Yeah, why not? Just put the old lid down there. Promptly falls down. Oh my god, look at the size of that. Oh, oh wow, absolutely stunning. Mate, you're a ledge. And I honestly, I don't mind doing the prints and that, you know, I'll help anyone out, and totally blown away, didn't expect it. Because they always ask, what do you want? What do you want? And me being me, nah, don't worry about it. And yeah, sexy tyres, cool, look at them. Super slicks. Nice bit of glassware in there, and the old cockpit of cockpitness. Look at that, look. I've got great fun with this. Absolutely mint. Let's get the old decals and destructions out and have a looky-loo at what he's lumbered me with, but yeah, he means it in the best possible taste. You've got all of your white stripes there, so I'll be doing the red as paint, and then the white V on the front there. So yeah, what's the paint call out it's got for? I'll probably do this in a lacquer, nice sexy zero paint. It's calling out for TS49 and TS26, bright red and pure white. But I might, it's been that you've been so generous, Ken, I might get myself the Zero Paints for this bad boy, mate, and do a nice proper lacquer job for you. How's that sound? Look at that lot. Oh mate, the PJ would be sitting there going, yeah, you make sure you put them leads in and them hoses slapping. I know what he's thinking. Yeah, gonna have great fun with this, Kevin. You are an absolute superstar, mate. Yeah, got hoses there, hose, letter O, fault handles, fluff hooks. And you do realise, Kev, I've got loads of broom noises I can do now around my bench. But that is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely, the dog's cocoonies, mate. I'm genuinely blown away, mate. And yeah, I need to pull my finger out and get some of these kits built, don't I? Because, yeah, look at the body shell there. That is absolutely stunning. If you're watching this, Sarah Jane, look at this. Whoa. Isn't it, eh? The curves of an attractive lady. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful, mate. I'm really going to have fun doing this. Seriously going to have fun doing this, mate. Yeah, and I'll get this done. I'll get the paints ordered and get them in. And once I've got them in, she'll jump the queue. I've got Wendy's bike. I've got one that I'm desperate to start, which is one that Imelda sent me and Ivy May. Scale Modelling Chaos, and his daughter sent me, so I want to get that one done. So yeah, look at that. Oh, seriously lovely that is, Kevin. Absolutely minted, mate. And yeah, I'm just looking at that paint job and just seeing how beautiful that looks. What do you think, folks? Hey, what a star. Apologies for the background noise, but it is Festa 67's workshop, and literally I've got all my 3D printers running, so I do apologise if there's a bit of audio. I will try and filter it out as best as I can, but I've kind of got a bit of a production line going at the moment. But look at that, folks. And that is the Tamiya Toyota GT1. Absolutely beautiful. And if you want to know the kit number, it's probably on here somewhere. It's TS020. So no, that's the bloody make of the car, you pillock. Item is 24222. Yeah, read the right bit, Cole. Beautiful, Kev. You are a star and a legend, mate. Look at that. Whoa, who can't say that that's sexy? Yeah. Thank you very kindly to Kevin and Jackie. Love you both. And I will see you on the other side, folks. Keep an eye out for the build on this. Ring the ding-a-ling in the corner there, and you'll get to be notified of all of these. And yeah, I shall look forward to sitting there doing that, Kev. So thank you, mate. Bye-bye for now. Bye.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down.